eating time at the Happy Way Zoo, and on today's lunch menu I am making collagen loaded nachos. So this is a really vibrant and fun and easy recipe to make. I'm going to be using the Happy Way flavor-free collagen dust in this recipe. So step one is get all your ingredients ready. So I'm making a meat-free version today. So instead of minced meat, I'm going to be using some black beans in this recipe. That increases the protein intake of this dish, which is great. Now I'm going to make some smashed avocado. So I've got my avocados here, which is where I'm going to be adding my collagen beauty dust. I've got my chips. I've got my nacho cheese, I've got some spring onions, some cherry tomatoes, some corn kernels, I've got some jalapeno peppers. If you like it hot, then make sure you add lots of jalapenos. I've got some sour cream here, my limes, I've got some coriander. If you like coriander, use it. If you hate it, then leave it out. And then I've just got my ingredients, which I'll be using to make my guacamole. Okay, so step one is to make your guacamole dip. So what I'm gonna do is chop up my avocados, take the flesh out, take the seed out, and then I'm going to pop everything in my little bowl. That's where I add a little bit of lime juice. I've got some olive oil, some salt, pepper, and my flavor-free beauty dust. I'll smash that together until it's well combined. And then I'm gonna make the nachos. So to go into the oven, what I'm gonna do is layer out my corn chips, add a layer of black beans and jalapenos and cheese, and then I'll do that layer again. I'm gonna pop that in the oven just to allow the cheese to melt. So that should take about 10 minutes. Now while that's cooking, I'll chop up the rest of my ingredients. So I'll chop up my spring onion, I'll slice up my tomatoes, and then once that's all ready, take it out the oven, load it up with the rest of my ingredients, and then it's good to go. Get everyone around the table and dig in and enjoy.